Are you looking to advance your career in tech? M2M has the right program for you. The annual program allows you to choose a path that best suits your needs and abilities. Whether you are a beginner looking to build on foundational tech skills or a seasoned industry professional, we have an option for you. We've designed 3 tiers for our annual programs, each with different benefits that will help maximize your learning experience. Skills Boost is great for those looking to build up their foundational skills while earning industry-recognized certifications. AI Ready is suitable for those who are looking to further their knowledge and build strong relationships with industry mentors through work-integrated learning projects. Career Launch is recommended for those who are ready to break into the industry through real-world opportunities with a guaranteed paid internship placement. Our priority is to advance your knowledge and skill set to prepare you for success within data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence spaces. To do so, our program will equip you with skills and experiences that ensure your success within this career. Engage, educate, and empower yourself with M2M's annual programs today. For more information, visit us at our website or contact us directly. We will help you every step of the way.